Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download Uber application on your Android device. Before starting, if you don't know what Uber application is, Uber Technologies is an American mobility as a service provider. It is based in San Francisco with operation in over 900 metropolitan areas worldwide. Its services include ride, food delivery, package delivery, electric bicycle and motorized scooter rental. In order to download this application, we need to open our Play Store for an Android device and App Store for an iOS. So here I'm going to open Play Store. After opening Play Store on search bar, I'm going to type Uber application and tap on search. So after searching for Uber, we can see such page, and in order to download this application, we need to tap on install. In Uber application, you can request a ride from 600 plus airport and in 10,000 plus cities around the world. The Uber application is a great way to make your travel plans stress-free. Request a ride on demand or ahead of time. You can find a ride to almost everywhere. Whether you are looking for style, space or affordability, Uber can help you find the perfect ride to fit your needs. It has also established a door-to-door safety standard to help you feel safe every time you ride. As you guys can see, our application is already downloaded, and in order to open this application, we need to tap on open. So this is how you guys can simply download Uber application on your Android device using Play Store. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and press the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell for the next upcoming videos like this. Thank you so much guys for joining.